Hey, thanks for stopping by. Today at Supreme RC and Tech, we got the BKB Duo. It's your do-it-yourself board. It comes with all the parts, all the soldering's done. You just basically open it up, read some directions, and screw it all together and hit the road. So without further ado, I'd like to say for those that have been here before, thank you for the continued support. Anybody new, hit that sub button, maybe a thumbs up if you like the video. If not, keep on moving. We're going to go ahead and dive right in and see what BKB has to offer. I just like to give you my point of view. So, as always, let's get that brand new blade out and let's get down to business. So, I'm not sure which kind of packing is going on. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing these gloves. Not for protection. I'm just kind of wearing them in a little bit. I feel like with this type of leather, the more you wear them, the faster they'll start to feel normal. They feel really tight, but I don't want to get a big size. These are rain skating gloves. They come with, sliding pucks. So if you're sliding or anything, I got a few different longboards. I was thinking about giving the sliding thing a try, but they're sweet. You can take them off, put them on. I use it because here in Michigan it's going to get cold really quick. So, moving on. Let's see. So it's a top load box, or let's just do it like this. I like to use razor blades. Let's put it to work. And of course, grab the wrong one. Always use a brand new. Wow. Now, I'm sure there's wires and tires and stuff of that nature, so if you do it this way, make sure you're not cutting too deep. I cut across the corner. And here she blow. Very decent packing job. Everything's bubble wrapped. Each edge has a foam insert to stop this way, back up and down. Just tear this bad boy on. Cut it right out the way. I won't be reusing this box. It's kind of roughed up from UPS. So we'll just make a little room here. Right off the bat, I see the 120s. Just a minute ago, I checked. They sent me another package, USPS. It looks like the pneumatic tires. They have some 6-inch pneumatic tires that will be coming with it. So these are the I Wonder 120s. 120 mils. I have these at 105s on my Lycon board. Lycon board is a hub-driven board, so it makes it kind of like a dually setup in the back. I'm sure everybody knows this, but for those that don't, that's the rear setup on the Lycon installed. You don't even notice the difference other than, yeah, you get a little better traction out there off in the grass and stuff of that nature. But here we go. Let's tear through this thing, see what we got going on. This must be charger. Comes with packing slip. One deck, 4 wheels, 2 truck hangers. So they checked everything off. So they must not have been able to fit everything in this box because the pneumatic 6-inch wheels are getting shipped in a separate package. So it looks like, as long as that's the battery and not the charger, that's probably the charging apparatus. But they do send you something I noticed right off the bat. Thanks for your support. Always wear a helmet, of course, in big bold. Now it's time to start building. For the complete instructions, we're going to scan that bad boy right there, and it's going to walk us through it. Looks like I can contact support if I have any problems. A few don'ts. Never leave the board in the on position when not in use. It'll completely kill the battery, of course. Yes, 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 yes. If you're going to store the board for any extended period of time, charge the battery to 50% and unplug it. Never ride in the rain or wet roads. You will lose traction. It will also prevent any water damage from the board. Treat the board with respect. It'll go faster than it looks and may have more power than you're used to. Ride within your limits. From Jared. I've talked to Jared a couple times. Seems like a real solid guy. On the boards on Facebook, a nice little signature he put there. So I'm sure we're going to become real good friends. Looks like this is the item details that come with it. Da 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 da. Shows everything I got. So we'll see. This looks like first shipment. I am expecting something else from them. Wow. Okay. So all the goodies here. So what I'll do is I'm not gonna bore you guys with all this stuff, but I will get this board out. This looks like bearings or something in here with the risers, I think is what they're called, and it looks like the bushings. I wonder what's in here. Let's see. We're gonna build this bad boy today. Let's see what's in these boxes here. All right, this looks like the wiring for the speed controller. Oh, this is the motors. These are the motors for this belt-driven setup. I'm not going to open everything up because I like to make some room over on my workbench here. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick open box. So you got your motors boxed up here with the wires already soldered. Looks like XT60s on there. Yeah, these are like part of, yes, the risers and the bushings. I do need to make room here on my table. I don't want to get anything mixed up. I am OCD like crazy, so anything gets mixed up, it'll drive me up a wall. So I like to start fresh. I'll move all my RC Helly stuff out the way and then start this build. 3M, they do use 3M foam. This looks like it's what's gonna protect from any type of water or moisture getting inside between the battery ESC box. That's another thing. Some of these boards I've noticed have 2 boxes underneath. This one only has 1. Looks like they designed this one awesome to have 1, not having to worry about bottoming out all over the board. This will go mostly towards the back of the board, I believe, right under the truck. This bag comes with your battery pre-built. Oh, Loctite. Oh, you get all the tools in this kit that is needed to put this kit together. If you're worried about tools, having the right stuff makes a big difference. So they sent, looks like this is a 8mm, a few different Allen keys, hexes, 2 of them, some Loctite. This looks like 242, good stuff, I use it. All your nuts and bolts here for your trucks. Everything is labeled what enclosure each bag goes to. So when you're working on that part, you can pull your bags out, find the corresponding bag to whatever it is you're working on, and go in. Your standard skate tool is in here, which I love these things. If you lose them and you buy boards, you'll always have one. Looks like it has a little tool. Yeah, the tool's in the bag, but looks like your pulleys, your speed gears are in here. For the upgrade, I did get the fastest upgrade, so this says it should do 46 miles an hour or something like that. But if I can get up to 30, I'll be completely satisfied. If I hit 35, I'll be overwhelmed, so that means I must, something's in my mind. Alright, what are these? Some more risers. Your belts, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 belts in this kit. I'm not sure why. 285. It might be different sizes because I do have different setup wheels too. 265, 285, and these are 5M belts, guys. 5mm, I think. This is 72. So this is I got two 265s and 2 275s. So that's for the 2 different wheel setups that I have. I thought it was going to come with the stock wheels, like if you bought the regular kit. But just so you know, that is not included, guys. I don't see stock wheels anywhere. I just got the 120s and the pneumatics, and I already had the 105s here, so if I wanted to switch to those, I could. But if that's the case, I would have just took their 107 stock ones that they have. The battery looks like it's done well. I know a lot about LiPo safety. When they say charge it halfway, you just got to get each I call it 3.78, 3.79, 3.7, let's call it 3.8 for the sake of argument. 3.8 is storage voltage. If you got regular chargers like I do, I've got 2 over here, 2 over there, I could balance and charge this whole thing safely, and I don't know, I could charge it all in 20 minutes if I wanted to. These are 18650s in here. It's a 3S 10P package. Your common stuff. I will probably ride it stock, see how this one holds up compared to my Lycon one. My Lycon one did have a couple little issues. In their defense, I do have super horrible roads around here. So let me get this cleaned up. I'll be right back in a second, and we'll continue on with our journey. We got down to the board. This thing looks sweet. Coming in. Some people find this super satisfying. Strip it naked. Oh, wait. Pre-drilled countersunk screws. As you can see, you got your truck here. You have your battery ESC Vex spot. And your other truck up here. Countersunk holes, pre-tapped. Very nice. Nice quality. It does have that convex curve to it. 42 inches, 42 and a half long, so I can compare it real quick to another board, not even in the same league, but just so you can kind of see the height. It's quite a bit difference. It's about 4 inch, heavy 5 inch difference between the Lycon GR. Another great board. So that's that. We got everything spread out here. We're going to go ahead and start the build.